Hey guys, Nuno here. This is for anyone who's having trouble connecting their Android device to their Honda car. I have a Honda Civic 2014, and what was happening to me is I could hear the sound, but I lost complete control of the wheel. And also, it would say device is not connected on the display. So to resolve this, I'm going to show you how to do that. So you're going to want to pull up the settings on your phone like this, and then you're going to want to go into the gear button. What we're going to do first is unlock the developer mode, so you're going to scroll all the way down to the bottom and then go to about phone. Scroll all the way down to the bottom there as well, and then this build number menu here, you're going to want to tap that about 7 or 8 times, and when you do that, it's going to tell you that you have unlocked developer mode. I've already done it, so it says no need, you're already a developer. But what that does, it unlocks a secret menu that'll pop open. And to do that, so let's click back, and now we're back in the settings. What we want to do is go into system, and in the system you want to expand the advanced menu, go down to the bottom, and now you see here you have a developer options menu. Click on that, and you're going to want to scroll down to the network section. You see how it says debugging here? You look for the section that says networking, and here it is. Scroll a little bit further down, you're going to see a Bluetooth section that shows the version of Bluetooth. And likely if you've got all your Android updates, you're going to be on 1.5. That's the default. I'm on Android 11 right now, so at the time of recording. You're going to want to tap on this and switch to AVRCP 1.3. And that's it, guys. Now you can go connect your phone to your car, and now you should, all the controls should work, and the display menus should show you what song's playing. Everything should just work fine.